This tutorial explores the Site Settings tab, which enables you to customize your homepage content, social links, and set up content that you want to feature from the various sections of the website. After logging onto Drupal, click the Manage button. Site settings will pop up. First, check that your country name appears correctly in site name. The first tab, Homepage, is where you select the featured story that will appear at the top of the homepage. To select a featured story, start typing the title of the story that you wish to feature on the homepage. The titles of the stories in the text field are self-generated. This allows you to double-click and select the story as it pops up. After choosing the story, you will be required to select or upload a featured image. Upload a photo with good resolution. You can use the same photo or a different one each time you update the featured story on your homepage. Remember to do the same exercise for the photo. The second tab is Social and Contact Details. This is where you will add social media accounts of the UN country team. Select a social media application from the social links values, and populate the field with relevant links. Next, under Info, click Select a Value, and choose Address from the drop-down menu in order to add the UN Resident Coordinator Office address. Add details on the Google Map to site. The way to do this is to look up the address of the Resident Coordinator Office on Google Maps, and copy-paste the address, not the URL. You can add extra contact details, such as a phone number, in the space below. Last, there's a space for adding a Resident Coordinator Office contact email. In the third tab, Featured Content, you can select a featured story, photo story, video story, and publication. Similar to your featured story, this selection will lead the corresponding sections of the website: stories, photos, videos, and publications. The fourth and last tab is SDGs. To define the short text for the SDG landing page, include a short, tailored blurb about the work your UNCT is doing on the SDGs. You can get inspiration by checking what other UNCT websites have written. To define a short text for the enabled SDGs description, add a short blurb here. We suggest that you tailor this blurb to reflect what the UNCT is doing on the SDGs. At the bottom, add a Google Analytics property ID.